Is it?
Huh?
Did the batteries die already?
Mom, I have nothing to play. I want to play with him.
Is the light on the remote?
It's off. Super battery.
Okay, all I'm asking is the light on the remote, yes or no? If not, then we just got to get a different battery. Okay. Are you pushing that button?
Look, I have sunglasses on and I look so different.
It's going to take you a little bit to get used to it, and
Yeah, that's it. What's on in my bed? Ciao! What are you doing? Hey, you can get me. Hey, you can get me.
if you want, yeah, there you go. See, it's just going to take some time.
Oh, it's not working.
Oh, David.
Mom, I'm trying to.
Be gentle or you're going to break it.
How do you turn?
Push the button. Push all three. One up, one down, and push the button.
What up?
Oh, David.
I'm going to be investing on this before.
You know what? I think it's the batteries. I think it just needs like super duper extra strength batteries. Oh, it's not the remote. It's just every time it gets a boost of the energy of the batteries. Watch out, Angel. She won't run it over. Yeah, we'll go and we'll buy some like Duracell batteries or something. That's cool how it flips over and does a wheelie, though. Angel, I want you out of there. I sent David in there. Come on, Angel, out of there, please. Because it doesn't work very good out here, so I sent him in there on the cement. Yeah, it's because I think we need to get some super duper batteries.
Today?
We'll see today when we have to go out. We'll go and we'll.
You need to give it a boost.
I know, but be careful when you give it a boost because you might break it.
I'm going to just test it on grass.
Oh, I don't think it might, but I don't think it'll work on the grass. See, just the boost of the batteries.
No, it's a remote. You have to.
It's not the remote. It's yeah, it's not going to work in the grass. Oh. Okay, but be careful, Angel.
Oh,
Yeah, we're going to go get some super duper batteries.
And it helps.
Yeah, we're going to get like extra strength batteries.
Extra short grass.
Oh, maybe.
Grandma's grass is too long.
Okay, go try it back on the cement.
Huh?
But that's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
Don't.
Let's see if we can wear
So cold.
this.
Let me see your breath. I can see my breath. It's freezing. Silly. You turned it off.
Feel mine.
I don't want to feel it. I said see your breath. Whoa. Oh.
On. Hey, go on a race.
I like how it does wheelies, though.
What?
Yeah, once we go get some better batteries.
Look, that's what 3, 2.
Yeah, you just have to be, yeah, when you give it a boost, like be gentle when you give it a boost. Angel, out of the way. careful.
He went to Mom. I want. One is too slow. He went too fast. He went to the grass. Oh, I'm so slow.
Be careful, Angel.
Wow. It was cool. This jump was cool. Great.
Angel, be careful.
I'm okay. I'm okay. You just don't have to worry. It's just a battery in the corner.
Yeah, once we get some better batteries.
What if it's a tire?
Maybe. But I think it's the batteries. I think it just needs better batteries. We'll go buy some Duracell batteries or Energizer ones.
I'm gonna want this.
Okay, go put it up there. Turn and make sure it's all turned off.
So cold.
It's so cold out, eh? You can go in. Well, I know my hands. Oh, be careful. You can go in the house now if you want.
And me and Mom can video. Let me and Nature have a race with these.
Have a race.
Who went to the tree house?
Sillies.
Who went to the octopus? Who went to the stairs? Tanks. Who went to the car? What are you cheating? Alright, I'm driving. You go there, drive. My God, it's cold!
Because it's freezing. All the toys are so cold.
What's this? It's a bag you need to use a brakes. Watch this, I just did a pump a wheelie. Watch. Oh.
Be careful.
I'm gonna go like this.
Pull it up. You got to pull it up with your arms too, buddy.
I'm gonna pee. I'm gonna pee.
Go.
No, I want you to go.
Go in the house and go.
No. Guys, look. I don't want to go. I don't want
Whoa.
I did it.
It smells like somebody's barbecuing.
I see some snow.
There's no snow.
Snow's in the ground.
No, maybe next week we'll get some snow that enough for you to play in. Out of there, Angel.
I'm gonna shower.
Are you gonna do another wheelie, Davy?
Huh?
Do another wheelie. Big wheelie. Do a big wheelie.
Huh?
Do a big wheelie.
Oh,
Whoa.
look at my wheelie.
Are you on the baby toy?
Guys, look at my wheelie. That's my straps. Guys, look at my wheelie.
Whoa.
Guys, look
Now
at
try
my
to drive it and do a wheelie as you're driving
Guys,
it.
look at my wheelie.
Wow, I see it.
I can't. Oh!
If you had your bigger one, maybe. Whoa!
Driving like this. Look at the stairs. It's like a little.
Yeah. Your heart is hurting.
Guys, let me show you something. Guys, watch.
Be careful.
David, look. Look, David, look at our tree house.
Okay, you better get down.
See that? Oh, you want to see something?
No.
It's gonna be so.
All right, Angel, down.
Why? Come up here. I just did my first
See, be careful.
Oh yeah, I want to show you how to get down.
No, Angel, leave the house. Put it back where it was.
Baby, too heavy.
Look out, Angel.
So easy.
Angel, wait till he's not on there. Okay, guys, careful. She's trying to put the house back. Okay, just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it.
Ta-da! No. Everyone, look at me. Everyone, look at me. It's Tiger watching.
Is the kitties watching you?
Yeah. Is the cat inside or outside? Oh!
Inside.
Did you